Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is International Islamic University Islamabad School's Sahiwal Campus online lectures. This is the lecture for grade reception 1 for the subject of English, lesson number 5, and we are going to do sound or and ng. You can find the words and lesson for these sounds on page number 24 and 27 from the Jolly Phonics Pupils book. Okay, dear students, in today's lecture we are going to learn sound or and ing, that how these sounds are formed and how these sounds can be blended while forming a word with the sounds, and we will learn the vocabulary words for sound or and ng. Dear reception 1 students, before we begin, please make sure that you have your books, notebooks and your complete stationery available with you. Your eraser, pencil and sharpener should be on your table. Listen to the teacher attentively and carefully and follow all the instructions given by your teacher, and when you are doing your writing work, just do your work neatly. जब आप writing कर रही हूँ तो उसे बहुत neatly करना है. आपकी पेंसिल शार्प होनी चाहिए, आपकी इरेजर नीट होनी चाहिए, ब्लैक नहीं होनी चाहिए. और जब आप राइटिंग कर रही हैं और आप देखें कि आपका कोई लेटर या कोई वर्ड नीट नहीं है, आप उसे इरेज करें और अगेन राइट करें. एंड व्हेन यू हैव टू डू राइटिंग वर्क ऑन योर नोटबुक, जस्ट पॉज द वीडियो एंड कंप्लीट योर राइटिंग वर्क एंड देन कंटिन्यू द वीडियो. ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स learn some vocabulary words for sound or. Dear students, when letter O and R come together, when the sound O and R come together, they form a new sound which is or. जब O और R sound मिल जाते हैं तो वो एक नया साउंड, ब्लेंडेड साउंड बनाते हैं, जो कि क्या साउंड है? और. O and R sound are or. Okay, we already have done one lecture for this topic. This is the revision for or, and then we will move towards our next sound. So let's revise all those words that we already have learned. First is corn. What is this? This is corn. आपने कभी खाई क्या ये corn? Of course खाई होगी. This is called corn. And the word is k or C-O-R-N. K or becomes corn. Say it with me. K or corn. C sounds k, O-R sounds or, and N sounds और ये क्या बन जाता है? ख or corn. Very good. Let's look towards another word which is h or क्या बन गया? h or and it became horn. H or horn. Very good. Next word is f or k. Fork. F or k. Fork. F or k. Fork. Very good. Next word is k or k. Cork. K or k. Cork. We have learnt word k or corn, h or horn. F or k. Fork. K or k. Cork. Very good. Now let's move towards our next sound, which is ng. Dear students, n लेटर की साउंड होती है और g की साउंड होती है ग, और जब हम इन दोनों को मिला देते हैं तो एक न्यू ब्लेंडेड साउंड बनती है जो कि है ng. Okay, look here. What word is this? K-I-N-G. साउंड्स क्या हैं इनके? ख ई ng. ख ई ng. क्या बना? king. ख इंग. ख ई ng. king. ख ई ng. king. Very good. Next is s ई ng. क्या बना? s ई ng. sing. Very good. Sing किसे कहते हैं? गाना गाने को. स ई ng. sing. Very good. Let's try another word. ये क्या है? R-I-N-G. और इनके साउंड्स क्या हैं? र ए ng. र ए ng. क्या बना? रिंग. र ए ng. रिंग. र ए ng. ring. Very good. Next word is W-I-N-G. W sounds W, I sounds I, and N-G sound ng. W, I, ng. Wing. W, I, ng. Wing. ये किसका विंग है? ये किसी रेड पिजन का विंग है. ओके. W, I, ng becomes wing. Okay, we learnt words k, ing, k, I, ng, king, s, I, ng, sing, r, I, ng, ring, w, I, ng, wing. Very good. Read these words with me. King, sing, ring, wing. Very good. Open your notebook and do your today's classwork. Your teacher has prepared a classwork page for you with these words. You have to write down these words on your page, notebook page. Open your English notebook and do your classwork. Okay, pause the video and complete your classwork, and then let's move towards our homework. Have you done your classwork? That's good. And your homework is page number 24 and 27 on your Jolly Phonics Pupils book. Dear students, please open your Jolly Phonics Pupils book. On page number 24, you will find the sound or, and on page number 27 of your pupils book, you will find the sound ng. You have to do those pages on your book. Good luck your homework. Good luck for your homework. This is the end of today's lesson. Allah Hafiz.